Hi guys, today I'm going to be making some beach coasters for a show I'm going to be doing, and I'm trying something new. These are tile 4x4 inch white glossy tiles that I spray painted a base color with just regular spray paint. And these are the colors I'm going to be trying out. I got some new stuff here. This is by Art Works Resin. It's their new pigments that they have for the resin. And this, I'm going to be using ocean blue. And then for my medium color, I'm going to be using golden acrylic teal color. And then for the sparkle, I'm going to be using, this is new. This is by Hippie Crafter. It's a pearl glittery pigment powder. This is Carolina blue color. And then this is Master's Touch acrylic. It's called warm gray. I'm gonna be using that for my sand color. So now I'm going to mix up a batch of Art Works resin to get this started. So let's see how it goes. So I'm mixing up some Art Works resin, and I'm gonna lay down my resin starting with the sand color, then jumping up to the top with the darkest blue and the medium blue in the middle and mixing it with my finger. The reason I decided to use this blue metallic pigment was because I wanted to look like there was a shimmer in the waves. Now I'm going to let these dry overnight before I go on to the next step. So now you can see how the pearl blue looks when it shimmers in the light. This is exactly what I wanted to do. And now I'm going to mix up some more resin to make the white waves. So first I lay down a layer of clear, and then I do the white line and blow it upwards using my heat gun. Then I take my butane torch to pop all of the air bubbles and try to create cells. So this is them. They're all done now and dry. I think they look great. Each one of them is completely different. How I finish them off is I buy these self-adhesive cork backings, and I just stick them on the back and stamp them with my art stamp. Thanks for watching.